Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Pepe 2 video update today. It has been carnage, we've been down, we've been dumping like this, but there's something going on the 15 minutes time frame. There's an activity that I can notice, and it's actually a positive one, okay, not a negative, but a positive progress happening on the 15 minutes time frame. We've been actually up today with POG on the private sector, which is opened up for the next 6 days. Well, this was the pattern given, just a little bit of a symmetrical triangle, and we pretty much broke out, went up to the upside. We got a 20% move up. So yeah, we've actually been 130% up in July. So coming for the August, it's opened up right now. So next 6 days. Going back into the charts. Now, what was I talking about on the 15 minutes time frame? So what is good about Pepe? Okay, we've actually even traded Pepe on the private. I'm going to show you by the end of the video how we've been trading Pepe 2. Pepe 1, I do make updates on the channel. So if you're new, do follow this channel because for Pepe 1, I've given a TA yesterday, and we've been 10% up with Pepe 1 as well. Now, what about Pepe 2? Because I do see that on the 15 minutes time frame, you're putting in higher highs right now, and you are putting in a sideways movement right over somewhere here. Okay, so we need to break above, and we need to see this as being your ascending triangle. So this ascending triangle needs a break. And I'm going to tell you the maximum time it's going to take until the break doesn't happen just yet. So to me personally, you're looking for 25th of July. I don't know what the date today is. Maybe it's 25 today or 24. I don't know. I'm just going to check that out a little bit quick. Okay, so it's 25 actually. So 25, 1930. 1930 is going to be 7:30. So we're talking about the next 3 hours. Okay, in the next 3 hours from now, we might be expecting a break to the downside, and you're looking for a continuation or break to the upside. Now, if it does break down, okay, if you move down, retest, and fail, you're looking for this technical target, and that's going to be a drop of nearly from there to there. We're talking about 11% drop to the downside. However, if you do try to break up again, you do have a day trading opportunity for maybe a 10%. So you're looking for a move back up here, and we could potentially say that Pepe 2 is more interested to go up for a 12% grab. Okay, so look for that 12%. This can actually be a great opportunity either way. Okay, either way, this is one opportunity or this is another opportunity and a move to the downside. It's pretty simple. So I do want to confirm how the 4-hour time frame looks like, and my personal take is that you're looking for the move to the upside. So here we go. Okay, try to get okay, so what I'm gonna do is the following. Put a stop loss here. Okay, don't even wait for the break. This is my confirmation bias. This is known as the banking strategy. Now, the banks do not care for the break. Okay, now this is a very calculated risk. This is not like anything stupid or something. I mean, trading is all risky, but it should be calculated. Now, based on my experience, this is something I'm going to tell you just for free, just to tell you that, hey, let's just say it does play out, and if it doesn't play out, you don't lose too much. Here we go. So measure the loss here. So we're talking about a 3.19%. I just want you to keep a stop loss probably down somewhere here, okay? This does sound good to me, like a very good stop loss, 3.19%. So maybe if you do invest like $150, for example, what is the loss of 3.9%? This is going to be, what's going to be the loss? I don't even remember mathematics so well. That's going to be like what? $5 probably. You're going to risk $5 pretty much. If you don't want to risk $5, you can put in $100 even though. So let's say you're putting in, that really depends on you. I mean, it's pretty obvious. This isn't a child. I mean, it's a beginner stuff. You must know how much you're losing at the back of your head before taking a trade. The second thing is you do have a move up, and we're talking about a move from there to there, and you could be looking at a 15% move to the upside. So that's going to be 15 plus 7. That's going to be $21 in profit. Okay, simple. Now it depends if you're putting in $1,000, if you're putting in $100. That's just how it is. So 3% risk, and you got a 15% reward right there. Sounds like a perfect. Even though the coin hasn't break up, this is the banking system. The banks don't really care about the break. And why do I say it's a calculated risk? Because by the end of the day, I'm being biased that it's going to go up. This is biasness. There's no break that happened. There's no any educational background to back this up, that hey, you should take the trade, even though yes, it does make sense for you to do this. But you see, when you're going to do this, it might just break up and go up, never even retest. Okay, and you might be waiting for the retest to happen, and it doesn't even really happen. You just break up and you go up. So why not just take this? Because by the time you come up here, you can bring your stop losses above, and you can bring it right over there, and you go from 3% to 1% risk right now. So take the early risk thinking it's going to go up. And the second thing is that you already have a bloodbath, and this is in 80% of the time, this is a bullish pattern. Number two or number three is that on the 4-hour time frame, you are about to put in a very big morning star right over there. So if this one comes like this, you're going to break out. You're going to see another big candle in the next 4 hours as well. Because why? You have 23 more minutes to close this candle, and it does look like you're going to close in a morning star. So you do have ascending triangle, which is actually bullish. You do have morning star candle, which is actually bullish. You are in a downtrend, and it's time to just get that relief a little bit. So you are trading a relief very, very similar to this, which is going to happen here. So that's it for this update. I'm going to show you a video on how to join the private sector if you're going to like this video, get a little bit out of it, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz. And I've been able to give you Pepe 2 call for a 41% up in July. I've been able to actually earn a 20% from SDEX as well. I've given you ideas that Pepe 2 is actually going to go to the downside, and Pepe 2 actually went down. Not only that, but we had Vinu that pumped 33%, Bone that actually went 11%. So we're still earning in a bear market. Even though it's a bear market, we're earning. How do we do that? That's up on me. That's my research. But the truth is a lot of people don't know how to research a coin when it comes down to trading and stuff like that. But I can actually do something where you can actually even get up to 30% per month through my skills and my knowledge, and that is through my private channel as well. I do open up the private channel on the 20th of every month, and it closes at the end of the month. If you join on the 20th, you get the whole 10 days for free, and your time actually starts from the beginning of the next month. And simply all you have to do is to go in one of my videos, and you're going to see Twitter or Discord. So if you cannot join Discord for some reason, if it's closed, just message me on Twitter to join the Signal group. Well, that's just all. Can't wait to see you. Can't wait to get your messages in there. That's it. Bye.